now it's time to add your sprite or your character, meaning your career person. So a couple ways you can do that. You can search on Google and find like a real live one that looks like a zoologist. So images. And I want to be careful. I want to choose someone who will work with what I need to do. So you want them to probably have legs and arms and feet and stuff. So a lot of these are problematic because I don't have the whole character. So you might want to be careful when choosing what you choose. And then I could also create a character at like Pixton or one of those websites where you can create a character. So still looking for someone standing. And they can be comic book if you find like a clip art one. If you don't find a real life one, you can also use a clip art one. I'm going to try and find still one. It's, walking. Let's see if I can type in a little more search term to see. So I kind of like, I liked that one, but not. So I'm not really getting, I'm just going to see if I can find a different, using a different search word, maybe to find like a naturey looking person. I mean, that's all really, I kind of like this guy right here. So let's see if that works. Copy image. Let's see if I can remove the other guy from the picture. Paste him over here. Preparing to upload. And if I have to erase the other guy, I can. So it's probably what I'm going to do. So I'm going to edit it to get rid of the guy I don't want in there. And erase. And I'm going to come here and take out this guy and his lovely backpack. Okay, so that should be good. Once it uploads, perfect. And I'm going to download him, download. And now when I come over to my Scratch account, I'm going to come over here to the little kitty cat down here, the sprite, choose a sprite. I'm going to click upload sprite. And the downloaded objects right there. And there's my sprite. I'm going to go ahead and click on costumes up here at the top, the tab that says costumes. And I'm going to name this one instead of this. I'm going to put Sprite 1. Okay. And then come back to my code. Make sure I have this guy highlighted. See how I can click between the stage and where my code was, and I can click on my character. So now I'm going to set my character, his size, things I want to happen when the screen starts. So I need the events thing, and on the characters screen, which should be blank, characters highlighted, okay, over here, I don't think it saved the name of my character. Sprite 1, it did. Okay. On the when clicked, I want to set his size. So I want him a little smaller because he looks really big in this image. 60, you can play around with his size. I like that. Okay, so size, I'm going to put that in set size to 100%. Okay, that's what he is right now. And then I'm also going to put that I want him at this location. And I'm going to put him motion, and I'm going to have him go to and drag that out. I can see where on the X and Y axis he is. So he's going to start there. And that's when I click the start button, that's where he is going to be. So when I hit the flag, why isn't he? Maybe I don't need the size block. Let's see if that. I'm going to change him to 60. If it works without the size block. Oh, that's 160. It's a big zoologist. Enter 60, and then just that location, so hitting the flag, and then that's right, we don't need the size block. So all I'm going to do is set the location block on the when clicked, and that's where my zoologist will start in our scene. And you can put him wherever you want, but that is creating a sprite. We uploaded him, and we gave him a location when that flag is clicked. And I will talk to you again.